बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसे नंबर 176। Islamabad: The National Accountability Bureau on Sunday claimed that it was an unbiased anti-white collar crime agency, maintaining a balance between cases involving the ruling alliance and the opposition. In a statement, NAB chairman retired Justice Javed Iqbal said the anti-graft watchdog was committed to taking mega corruption cases of the ruling alliance and the opposition to their logical conclusion, Without taking any name, the chairman mentioned money laundering cases of leaders of the opposition and the ruling alliance allegedly involved in the recent sugar and wheat flour crisis. New para. On the other hand, Senate Deputy Chairman and Pakistan People's Party leader Salim Mandviwala, who is at loggerheads with NAB due to a case being investigated against him, said in a statement that the Bureau should first hold its own officials accountable for their deeds and called for making details of the agreement between NAB and UK-based assets recovery firm, broadsheet, public, Justice Iqbal, on the other hand, claimed that NAB had solid proof of money laundering committed by the big fish, following which references were filed in accountability courts, NAB had submitted references in accountability courts on the basis of evidence, he said, New para. Advisor to the Prime Minister on accountability, Mirza Shehzad Akbar, has claimed many times in the recent past that opposition leaders belonging to the PPP and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz were using fake bank accounts of small vendors for transferring money laundered abroad, Concrete evidence of money laundering is available, Billions of rupees were siphoned off through fake accounts in the names of Faludawala, Chabdiwala and Papadwala, the NAB chief said, regarding cases being investigated against leaders of the ruling alliance for their alleged involvement in the recent sugar and wheat scandals, the chairman said, the ongoing flour and sugar scam investigations will also be taken to their logical conclusion, New para. He said Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, in his address to the National Assembly, had called bribery and nepotism the main curse, There is a difference between white-collar and street crimes, He added, Mr. Iqbal said NAB was the focal institution of Pakistan under UN Convention Against Corruption and was presently chairing the SAARC Anti-Corruption Forum, NAB is considered a role model organization in SAARC countries, International Economic Organizations, Transparency International Pakistan, PILDAT and Michel Pakistan have lauded its anti-corruption endeavors, he said, adding that the Bureau had so far recovered rupees 714 billion since its inception, which was a major achievement, New para. A total of 1243 corruption cases, having a cumulative corruption volume of rupees 943 billion, were under trial in various accountability courts, he said, full stop, highlighting NAB's achievements, Justice Iqbal said the Bureau had constituted a combined investigation team to benefit from the collective wisdom of senior supervisory officers, full stop. The CIT comprises a director, additional director, investigation officer, legal counsel and experts of monetary and land revenue department, he added a full stop. The chairman said NAB officers were working with dedication as per law, full stop. NAB is on the right track due to the commitment of its officials, he added full stop. New para. He said the anti-graft watchdog had investigated mega white collar corruption cases, adding that time was required to probe such cases as some information needed to be collected from abroad, full stop.